Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 6 stars. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine. Students, let's start our work with the name of Allah. Today, Friday, 18th December 2020. Today our topic is force and pressure. In the previous video, we have explained in detail about the force. Force is actually the push or pull exerted by one object on another. Today we will explain the pressure in detail. What is pressure, students? Pressure is the force acting on a unit per area of the surface. That is, pressure is actually the force that is applied on a unit per area. When a force is exerted on a surface, we call the pressure exerted on each unit area of the surface. A force can produce a high or low pressure depending on the area that the force exerts. Student, when we derive the equation for the force, let us derive the equation of the force. Student, force is actually proportional to the pressure is actually proportional to the force and is inversely proportional to the area. So the formula of pressure will be pressure is directly proportional to the force applied and the inversely proportional to the area. By next, P is equal to F divided by A. This is the formula of a pressure. Here we have explained the pressure unit of a pressure. Student, now move to the symbol of the pressure. To represent the pressure, pressure is denoted by a symbol that is P. Next is unit of a pressure. The unit of a pressure is Pascal, which is denoted by PA, and it is equal to N Newton meter per square, Nm minus 2. So here is the unit of a pressure and here is the formula of a pressure. This formula shows us that the pressure is directly proportional to the force. Greater the force applied, greater will be the pressure produced. For example, when we apply a large force on an object for lifting, for doing work, then a more pressure will be produced. So, higher the force, greater will be the pressure. Similarly, force is inversely proportional to the surface area. Let me explain it with the help of an example. For example, if we wear a pointed sole, for example, a sandal with a pointed sole will produces much more pressure as compared to the flat sole. So the pointed heel produces much pressure due to the less surface area, because pointed heel have less surface area, it will produce large pressure, and the flat heel will have large surface area, it will produce small pressure. So it is easier to wear a flat sole as compared to the pointed sole. Next, another example of area is, Porters place around a piece of cloth on their head to increase the surface area so it will reduce the pressure. Now next topic of today's discussion is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. Student, first of all, what is an atmosphere? What is atmosphere? The blanket of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. In our blanket of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. Student, in our atmosphere various kinds of gases are present. For example, nitrogen is present in 78% in our atmosphere. Similarly, various gases are present in specific quantity. So all the gases are surrounded our earth and produce an atmosphere. Now what is atmospheric pressure? कि atmospheric pressure क्या चीज़ है? Student, as the name indicates कि वो pressure जो atmosphere में present है. So we will say that the pressure exerted by the air. The pressure exerted by the air is known as atmospheric pressure. Students, हमारी जो atmosphere है उसमें specific amount में हर गैस प्रेजेंट है और हर जो गैसेज है एटमॉस्फेयर में वो इस प्रेशर एक्सर्ट कर रही है ऑन एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ वी स्टैंड अप इन अ एयर देन द एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर ऑल्सो पुल अस डाउनवर्ड बट वी विल नॉट फॉल. वाई? हमारे ऊपर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर एक्ट कर रही है और हम जो है बेटा फॉल नहीं करते. क्यों? इसकी एक रीज़न ये है क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी पे जो भी एटमॉस्फेयर में चीज़ें प्रेजेंट हैं हमारी बॉडी पे ग्रेविटी भी एक फोर्स जो है पुल करती है. नीचे से हमारी बॉडी को ग्रेविटी पुल करती है एंड फ्रॉम द अबव एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर हमारी बॉडी पे एक प्रेशर स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट ऑफ प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करता है. But body will neither fall nor move upward because both these pressure cancel nullify the effect of each other and the body will attain the stability. The pressure exerted by our body is also equal to the atmospheric pressure and it balances the pressure from the outside. Students, so today's our topic is Lower Secondary Science 1. Open your book, students. Lower Secondary Science 1. We have started our chapter. Chapter number 21, Force and Pressure. Today our topic is pressure. Let us read the chapter. When a force is exerted on the surface, we call the force exerted on each unit area of the surface pressure. A force can produce a high or low pressure depending on the area that the force exerts. For example, here the example has been shown that when a pin is pushed into the board, the tip of the pin exerts a high pressure on the board because the force applied is concentrated on the small area of the pin. Here some example of pressure has been shown, that is, we required a specific amount of pressure for cutting the apple. Stud on the soles of this pair of boards give better grip while running on the field because stud creates a pressure on the ground and it helps in the running. Next is the large surface area of the skis prevent the skier from sinking into the snow. Students, next example of pressure is this one. Next, move to the next page. Here The definition of the pressure has been written, that is, pressure is defined as the force acting on the unit area. The formula of a pressure is equal to force per unit area. The SI unit for pressure is Pascal, which is represented by PA or Nm minus 2.